Do you believe in Bolivar? Are you ready to get involved in the future of Bolivar? In this video, we'll walk you through how to get started with these fun activities for all age groups. Located on the page, Activities to Download are a few different activities for various age ranges that will help gain insight into community needs and how to plan for those needs in the future. These activities can be completed in a group, on Zoom, or individually. If your group plans to meet in person, follow proper social distancing and COVID-19 guidelines to ensure the discussion is safe for all participants. For young children, visit the Young Children's Conversation Kit and download the Kids Activity Number 1 by clicking on the activity. Open the document and print out the sheet. Read through the instructions with the child and allow them to draw or assist them with writing their thoughts. Drawing what they imagine the future of Bolivar to be can provide insight to what they think their community should look like while encouraging forward-thinking activities, creativity, and their engagement. For older children, visit the Children's Conversation folder. Click and download the Activity Number 1 Generation Profiles. This activity can be completed on the computer or printed out. Once you have downloaded the activity, there are several ways to access your activity. If you wish to complete the activity digitally, the PDFs for the generation and labor profiles provide spaces for you to write directly into the squares. It's a fillable PDF, similar to the online forms. Open the document and read through the instructions with the group or have them read silently to themselves. Each profile uses real Bolivar data to represent a generalized version of that generation. After understanding each profile, discuss the needs of each generation today and 20 years in the future. Ask them what they think of each person. What are their challenges? What might help with those challenges? Document the discussion in the boxes provided. To access the second activity, click the Youth Activity Number 2 under the same folder and print out the sheet. Ask the child to imagine the city in the future. Have them express their thoughts through whatever way they choose, whether it's writing, creating a poem or drawing, or something else. If they are stuck, ask them to think about the first activity. What kind of world might help those people? What does that look like? What does that feel like? The first adult activity is Generation Profiles. Once you have downloaded the file, there are several ways to access your activity. If you wish to complete the activity digitally, the PDFs for the generation and labor profiles provide spaces for you to write directly into the squares. It's a fillable PDF, similar to online forms. Similar to the youth activity, each profile on the page uses real Bolivar data and statistics to portray a generalized generation. After reading through each generation profile, it's up to you to discuss the needs of each generation today, 20 and 40 years into the future. Document your ideas into the boxes provided. Adult activity number 2 is labor profiles. Like the generation profiles, this activity uses real Bolivar and surrounding area data to create generalized labor profiles. Download by clicking on the link and read through the instructions. Use the boxes provided to record your ideas. Finally, the third activity uses a map to prompt critical thinking about your community. Your answers for all of these activities can help drive changes and preserve important community assets. Use the map and comments page to highlight what needs to be preserved, enhanced, strengthened, and transformed. Specific comments will provide insights into the ways in which the community can be improved. Use the instructions in the document to help guide you through the process. The map activity also provides fillable spaces in the comments, but in order to maximize the activity, it's helpful to draw on the map itself as the instructions sheet suggests. If you'd prefer to mark up the map and activities by hand, just print them out and write on them. Before you submit your activities, don't forget to use the sign-in sheet to include everyone that participated on the activities. This will give a representation of who was involved in the engagement process. To submit your digital copies, email them to the Shockey Consulting Project Manager, Taylor Vandevelde at taylorv@shockeyconsulting.com. If you are filling it out by hand, scan or take a photo of your work and email it to taylorv@shockeyconsulting.com, or drop it off at one of the kiosks at Bolivar City Hall, the Student Union at Southwest Baptist University, or the Roy Blunt YMCA.